Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this very short tutorial I'll show you how to make Adobe Reader the default application for your PDF files in Windows. So from our settings in the Windows, click on Apps, then go to Default Apps, and now scroll down a bit and click on Choose Default Apps by File Type. You're going to have a big list of different file extensions in here. So basically you need to scroll down and find a PDF file format. Let's use our mouse and scroll down until we have everything starting from P. Alright, so let's find PDF in the list. Okay, so this is our PDF extension, and now click on this button here next to Microsoft Edge and choose Adobe Acrobat. And now the next time you have any sort of PDF file, if you double click it, it will automatically open using Adobe Acrobat. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more comprehensive short tutorials in our channel, and I will see you very soon.